My name is Kabita Karki. I'm from Nepal. I'm a geologist and I'm working in Department of Mines and Geology, Ministry of Industry, Commerce and Supplies of Nepal. As I mentioned, I'm from Nepal and Nepal is a landlocked country. Being from a landlocked country, we do have a limited exposure to the ocean-related researches. So when I saw this program, actually I had a desire to understand the deep sea environment as well as to understand also the policies for the regulation of deep sea marine mineral exploration. And these were the things that motivated me to apply for the National Expert Deployment Program within the ISA Secretariat. And this program has provided me a unique opportunity and built a capacity in understanding the deep sea science. I also gained the valuable international exposure, as well as I'm able to even contribute my knowledge to the deep sea sediment. As deep sea environment is quite a new topic for me, I expected to enhance my knowledge on the deep sea exploration, as well as to understand the regulatory framework and the scientific processes that governs the deep sea beds and its mineral exploration. And I also expected to gain the experience by working in the project that is focused on the marine resource management and the sustainable development towards the environment. Okay, during my deployment over here, I work in a project that is related to geochemical and physical characteristics of sediment within CCZ zone. And this project is supervised by Dr. Uricht. It involves the understanding the different physical characteristics such as the grain size distribution to the sediment geochemistry. And for this, we have used the data that is available within the ISA network as also from the different published literatures. And analyzing the data, we are trying to identify the potentiality for the metal or mineralization. And this thing will help for the future exploration, as well as the information of geochemistry will be very useful for the to identify or to establish any baseline or threshold regarding to the environmental impact of deep sea activities. Coming from a landlocked country, my greatest achievement, first I will say the knowledge that I gained about the vast seabeds, its resources, and how the mining activities and the framework to explore the resources actually sustainably for the benefit of mankind had been done through the ISA. This knowledge is truly enlightening. And along with this, I also got an opportunity to work with international experts from different diverse fields. And additionally, I got a chance to know more about Jamaica, its culture, its landscape. So as a whole, I'll say the knowledge and the connection I had with this place and the people, these are the greatest achievements I have during my deployment period. The experience that I have gained in ISA has significantly broadened my perspective on the global marine governance and the technical knowledge, as well as the interdisciplinary collaboration and exposure I had towards the international mining practices. This will enhance, and it has enhanced my ability to contribute to geological and mineral resources, as well as the environmental prospects and environmental impact in Nepal. Additionally, it has equipped me with a skill to advocate for the marine and blue economic policy that even a landlocked country can access. And even a landlocked country has a role of playing in promoting these sustainable ocean governments. That is a new thing I learned, and it will be very helpful to advocate this back in my country. The most surprising part of my familiarization with ISA is that ISA has undertaken a various level work ranging from the data management to international collaboration, as well as different legal activities. And while doing this, it has focused towards the deep sea mining with the goal to ensure the environmental sustainability. Its framework and this work is vast and extensive, but still, The way ISA team collaborates towards this goal in such a friendly, supporting and charming and a vibrant working environment, actually it is too inspiring. I like to say what was my experience in Jamaica. Actually, Jamaica is really very beautiful country, and the time I have spent over here, it has really given me a beautiful memory, and that is something I'm taking back, the connection I have with Jamaica, Jamaican people, as well as the friends, international friend I met over here. I'm taking that memory with back.